Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. So you can see that Fed decision has made an impact on the gold market as well, maybe at less degree compared to the Forex market, because gold has its own driving factors, which is not only the Fed statement, although it's also very important, but it's also Fed right now, the gold market right now is supported by the overall global turmoil as a political, economical slowdown of the global economy and other problems. And all this stuff keeps demand for the gold at the relatively moderate level. So as a result, the Fed statement, although is dollar supportive and has made an impact in the gold, the impact here is not as strong as on the Forex market, for example, on the euro currency, on the dollar index. But still, this Fed decision was mostly, according to our view, that it will be a single rate cut, and the Fed will change the rhetoric. It will turn from the dovish policy to the more neutral policy. So that actually has happened. On the daily chart, this decision was mostly supportive to our technical view as well. So as we watching for a pullback, some retracement, kind of the ABCD pattern, you can see the market finally has started downward action. So actually, at this point, we also have got, as you can see, bearish reversal candle. It's understandable because it was really Fed date. You can see market created a new top and closed below the lows of the previous session, and actually it engulfs the 1, 2, 3, 4 whole retracements, all retracement, and even this collapse that has happened last week. So this one, it all stands inside of this significant downward action. It means that currently we could keep an eye on our target. It stands approximately 1390 for the even. This is first FIB support, major FIB support on the daily, and it's also daily oversold. That's approximately the first destination point in the gold market that we will keep an eye on. But this is probably will become the story of the next week already. What we could get today, so we'll take a look at the hourly chart. So our trading plan with the possible using of the stop entry order has worked very nice. So actually it shows good results not only on the gold but on the euro currency as well. So as we said yesterday, you could place the stop entry order below this trend line. You can see once market will be hit here, that's your potential profit of this trade. So currently market has hit the first destination point of the same ABCD pattern is on the daily. You can see that COP stands right here, and also that is the trend line support. So market again has returned back down to this area. Also, this is the 14 or 9 FIB level. So currently we stand in agreement. It means that here we could keep an eye on some possible pullback, some retracement maybe will be formed, some reaction could follow. But in general, here we have the acceleration, and despite the possible retracement here could happen, it's because investors need to understand what is going on, need to understand the impact on the long-term impact on the markets, what will happen. So they will not take some decisive steps in this week. They will spend some time, spend the weekend with the new information, will analyze this information and trying to create the new strategy as in the gold market, as in other markets. And that's why the major action probably will happen on the next week. So today currently, as market stands at the support, this is probably not good point for taking the new short position. And here we need to keep an eye on retracement. At the same time, on the hourly chart, I do not see currently some special bullish patterns. Thrust down looks a bit choppy and not very reliable, so I wouldn't trade any Jordan-Napoli patterns in this point because several downward action was strong. But take a look at these candles. So it's interruption, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not really very strong. Not very long thrust. So not a sufficient amount of the candles here stands on the downside, and it's too short. I mean, in terms of the hours candles. that's why it's better to just see what will happen. Maybe some kind of retracement here will start, market will form some patterns, then we will make our decision maybe tomorrow. So the same story as you can see with this channel. That's also another was our context. So that potentially was opportunity to go short with the breakout of this channel, which was a chance to take the position with the stop entry order. The pullback here was not strong enough and hasn't returned right back up, and that's the trade that has started. So despite what particular time frame you could choose, it's hourly chart or on a 4-hour time frame chart using this longer trend line support. Stop entry order sometimes could help us with making the trade when you do not have any other tools for position for opening the position. So that's the view on the gold market. Let's see how situation will develop.